Welcome to Louie Loves Mini's mini lesson where we take a miniature part of your time to learn a miniature step on how to paint a miniature. In this series, we'll be building one of these 10 tactical space marines from the Warhammer 40,000 franchise. Each video will showcase the different steps that you will need to take from start to finish as a beginner so that you can learn and experience how to build and paint your own miniature and see if this hobby is really for you. So before you even paint your first ever miniature, you gotta make sure that you prepared a good, flat, sturdy surface or dedicated space or area for you to paint it in. Basically, I know it looks like a lot, but to get started, you just really need a flat, sturdy surface, comfortable chair because you'll be sitting there in a long time, and something to protect said surface. I normally like to put a towel underneath because I'm a messy painter, but really I think the real requirement is a cutting mat. You'll be doing a lot of incisions and messy stuff, and you just want to make sure that you're not damaging the foundation of your hobby. Next, besides getting all the materials you'll need, which we will tackle in the further few episodes of this series, you gotta make sure you prepare your hobby light. I would recommend getting at least a dedicated lamp or light source that's white so that you see the true color of your miniature and also that it is properly illuminated. This hobby can be very bad for your eyes if you don't take care of the lighting in your rooms. Then when you get your space ready and protected, you gotta make sure the miniature you're gonna be painting has the build instructions, and also you gotta figure out what the paint scheme of the miniature you're going to be painting in. A lot of people like to just YOLO it, which is fine by me if it's fine by you, but you can also check out a lot of the paint schemes and instructions of some of the miniatures you'll be working on, or just go online and look for paint schemes, or even better, click the link there and you'll get to see a link to the journals or all the paint journals that I have kept throughout the hobby. In the next video, we'll be focusing on how to prepare your mini for the paint process, which includes building the kit all together. My aim is to make these videos really short and concise so that you can get to the hobby table and try this hobby the fastest, most efficient way, so for you to find out if this thing really is for you. So stay tuned for the next video. This is Louie of Louie Loves Minis reminding you to hobby every day to keep the sprues away. I should have been sitting here for the duration of the video because, you know, me being here is like totally making this part of my face so bright. Next episodes. Actually, I won't even use this angle for the next episode. Maybe I should have just shot it like this. Or am I too lazy? Do I sacrifice the quality of the videos just so I can save this blooper at the very end for a bonus clip for people to see how I contemplate to myself? I should have just done the video like this. See, it looks great. I was like this the whole time and my face was just like, I wasn't even looking at the screen, man. Was I here? So if I was here, there was just like a white spot the whole time. I was here the whole time talking about this. Ah, the lighting is so bad. This is much better. Anyway, if you're still watching, this is what I look like looking at the hobby desk. And I think this is an actual considerably nice angle. Don't you guys think? I think this is a nice angle for the hobby. I mean, like for the vlog in the future. Let's, yeah. Why didn't I think of this? Okay, maybe, okay, next video definitely. This is the angle next video. Weird. Okay.